Alright, so today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to put the voice over a PowerPoint presentation. I'm sure most of you know how to do it, so this is going to be just small short reminder. So in order to put the voiceover, you'll have to go in the toolbar to the slideshow part, and then you will see there a button called record slideshow. So you click on it, and then you have two options. I'm going to speak about it later, right? So you can click on record from the current slide, right? Or record from the beginning. And in order to start recording the slideshow, you will click on record. Okay. So it will give you 3 seconds. For example, you start recording on top of it. This is topic 7, Introduction to Accounting course, and you're going to explain what exactly would be your objectives. And in order to listen for your recording again, you will stop 5. You will stop it, and then you can replay. Okay. So the next thing you want to do is, for example, you want to move to the next slide. So in order to move to the next slide, you're going to press the buttons to the right or to the left. And my advice to you is to check from time to time how exactly if your voiceover is recorded, because sometimes the voiceover disappears. Okay, so once you finalize the recording, you can click on the button on the top right button, close, or you can just click escape. So you can see here that you got the voiceover, right? And you can listen to it. Right, so we already heard this particular recording. Now, what I have to explain to your students is that they have to go for the full slideshow in order to not click every time on this button. So you go full slideshow, and you'll have the same thing. Okay. Now, let's assume that you don't really like the way this particular let's say the voiceover work for this particular slide, right? So we have here record from current slide and record from beginning. The first one is going to record from beginning means that you're going to basically clear all the voiceover for all the slides. This is why I would recommend that you use every time record from the current slide. So you move to the slide you need to work with. So let's assume you have the types of, like I have here, the types of transactions, right? So you are going to move to this slide, you're going to click record from current slide, and you're going to again click record, put the voice over, and then you're going to move to the next slide, right? All right, so let's assume that you don't really like any of your slides. In this case, you can just clear or you have the options here. You can clear timings of yours on all slides, or you clear narrations on all slides. So narrations means that whatever voiceover you put would actually would disappear. Okay. Now you have some more options here. You have I didn't really use them. I don't know exactly how they work like, but I think this would be an efficient way to record them. Okay. Then PowerPoint gives you another option, which I used, and it actually helped me to save my document as an as a video. So for example, you go here and then you want to save it, you go to save as, right? You can save it as PowerPoint presentation, you can save it as PDF, and it also gives you the chance to save it as a video, right? The only problem with this particular option is that it actually takes a very long time to convert it. And like if you have time to convert it, then it's well and good. If you don't have time to convert it, it's actually like for one of my slideshows, it took like 30-40 minutes to convert it. Thank you for your attention. This was the recording voiceover for your PowerPoint presentation, and good luck.